About to find out. Whoa, yep. Yes we do.
Well, the power lines are running together at least.
Oh yeah, those have got to be slapping together right now. I'm surprised we haven't heard it actually. Since I said that, it's probably going to happen now and scare the shit out of me. My knee is hurting like a son of a bitch right now, too.
That thing's going right.
Damn.
It's going to Virginia Beach. Look at that. Oh, those people aren't going to be happy. Look at that thing. It's still well formed. Look at it.
It's a big old bitch for a Cat 1, man.
I think it might even be... oh, here we go. Look at Holiday. In Tarpon Springs, right? It's in the red. It's right where we are. Good God Almighty.
Jeez. Damn, man. We're right fucking...
We're right in
right
it.
there.
And look at this shit coming up.
Holy shit, that scared the fuck out of me. Oh, God.
What got you?
Nothing. There was just that lightning was so bright. Oh my gosh. I'm so paranoid of lightning these days, man. That shit was bright as fuck just then. Oh man, I'm all excited now. I can't sleep. Watch out for that aluminum threshold, because that's what happened to me.
Smashed your toe on it and broke it?
No, lightning struck.
Oh.
And my feet were wet.
Not a good idea. Not a good idea. Well, I'm on tile now.
Yeah. Here we go.
I never expected this, did you?
I mean,
This
not like this. Like the fucking storm surge, the rain, this everything back to back to back to back to back. We're in a perfect spot for.
It was an unorganized storm that turned to be huge and didn't even get organized until yesterday. Jeez.
That shit is so bright. That's low altitude lightning. It's like being in the mountains and thunder's louder and the lightning's brighter.
Oh, yeah. This wind is so heavy. That's what amazes me.
Well, it is. It's
all because of the hurricane.
There goes that howling again. There goes that howling.
Look at that. See it?
Holy shit.
Wow. This is awesome, isn't it?
Hell yeah. This is why I love these storms. And any second, them fucking power lines are gonna be going at it again.
I'm surprised they're not already.
Yeah, I am too.